Hello everyone. Today I'll explain how to set EDID. What is EDID? EDD is a standard data format that includes parameters about the display and its performance, such as vendor information, maximum image size, color settings, and manufacturer presets. How do we set EDID in the software? Open the debugging software EDID setting. Click Screen Configuration and enter the authorization password, 168. Here we're using the X26M as an example. The signal it provides is HDMI. So how do we set its EDID? First, check the resolution of your computer. You can see that the computer resolution is 1920 x 1080. So we change the EDID to 1920 x 1080. Here you can customize the resolution. Click Save, and the settings will be applied. You can see that our resolution has been set to 1920 x 1080, which means the EDID has been configured. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.